and I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. So as you can tell, currently working on the Yukon because I currently have like no heat in the front, so we're going to see if I can fix that. So I got pretty sure it's the blend door actuator. There's the new one, and there's going to be 3 of these 7mm screws. There's one here, back here, and over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off, and then I'll be right back. Just pulls right on off, and the blend actuator's right here. So all you really gotta do is just pull the tab. One second. See, all you gotta do right here is just pull the tab, pull it out, and there's going to be one. There's gonna be 2 more screws. Same thing as the other one, 7mm. So let's go ahead and take those off. Oh wait, those are Phillips heads. So let me go get a Phillips head, and then I'll be right back and go ahead and take all that off.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so now let's go ahead and take these on off, and of course, so just pretty much just go get the socket Phillips head. Save you a lot of trouble. I'll be right back again.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I told y'all wrong. It's not a 7mm, it's a 7/32 bolt. So even I make mistakes. So see, I even watch videos while I do stuff, kind of make sure I can do it. So let me go get the right socket, and we'll get back to it.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
All right, y'all, this last little bolt back here, it's a pain. So if you're gonna do this, just know you're gonna end up sweating and needing a drink. Like, it's a pain. So I'm still working on it. Hopefully I can get it out
Eventually.
all right, so I got them out. I mean, they look the same. The only difference is that piece right there. So I guess we'll try to put it in and hope for the best.
6.5 hours later.
All right, so the new one is in. Only took me fucking ever, but it's in. It's plugged in. Let's see if it works.
2 hours later.
Wait, before I even do that, the Yukon needs some antifreeze, so I might want to put that in before I actually get trying shit. So
2,000 years later.
well, guys, that didn't work, so I'm gonna try one more thing. They said you got to calibrate it, so I'm gonna take the negative post off and leave it off for a minute or two, and let's see if I get some heat later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, so according to the video, you got to reset the actuator. So let's see if we can hear it working. Pretty sure I just heard it. I think. I don't know. I don't know why the Yukon does that. I really don't know. So let's turn it back off. Like I said, pretty sure I just heard it, so just try it and see. It's lukewarm. It ain't really hot, so let's turn it on out and see what happens. at this point, I really don't know what to do. Really don't. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video, put everything back together, and do some more research. Like, I don't know. So, catch y'all next time. Peace.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.